Alright, yeah, this is the Fendi belt. Mkhiphop. That's how it came. Worn it a couple times, but it's so good. One of these nice quality dust bag. This is a 5A quality one, $42. Hold up a sec. Nice white gold buckle. Came out clean. Good high quality shit. That's how the buckle came out. It's clean. Uh, this got another one before. This had a nice string to prevent this from sliding wherever it wanted, but whatever, it's good. Right here, I don't know if it's gonna focus, but it says Fendi, made in Italy. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna focus. Fuck it though. Good high quality shit. I'd order for them again. Nice bag. Here's a cardigan. This box came with. That's everything.